Hi, I'm Christopher Allen. Crystal, crank, glass, hot ice, speed, yellow bam, and black beauties. These and many more are all common street names for the illegal drug methamphetamine. According to StopMethAddiction.com, 2013, during 1999, 4.3% and approximately 9.4 million people of the U.S. population reported trying methamphetamine at least once in their lifetime. The highest rate of meth use was among 18 to 25-year-old age group, with 5.2% of them reporting lifetime meth use during 1999. Methamphetamine use is a dangerous drug addiction. Methamphetamine use is bad for a person's health because it affects the brain, affects the body's physical appearance, as well as affects the person's sexual drive. Let's discuss the first reason as to why methamphetamine is bad for a person's health. Methamphetamine is bad for a person's health because it affects the person's brain in a negative way. According to drugabuse.gov, 2010, methamphetamine increases the release and blocks the reuptake of a brain chemical or neurotransmitter, dopamine, leading to high levels of the chemical in the brain. These increasing levels of dopamine in the brain is what causes the euphoric feeling described by methamphetamine users. This is the normal brain, showing normal reuptake of the dopamine. This is a methamphetamine user's brain, showing lessened amounts of reuptake of dopamine, as well as the black spots are noted as actual holes in the brain mass itself. Methamphetamine causes structural and functional changes with the brain. According to methproject.org, methamphetamine can cause depression, delusions, and hallucinations, obsessive behavior, memory and learning impairments, high paranoia, uncontrollable movement, tolerance inabilities, aggression, and addiction. Now let's discuss the second reason meth is bad for a person's health. Methamphetamine is bad for a person's health because it affects a person's physical appearance. Methamphetamine destroys a person's blood vessels and tissues. This keeps the person's body from having the ability to repair itself. Methamphetamine causes skin issues. Skin loses its elasticity, causing a person to appear older than they are. A person's skin also loses its ability to heal sores from methamphetamine-induced acne. Meth mouth causes broken and discolored teeth. According to Frontline 2011, a common sign of meth abuse is tooth decay, a condition that is known in the media as meth mouth. This is a normal person's mouth, healthy teeth and healthy gums. This is a methamphetamine user's mouth. Notice the discolored gums and the broken teeth. Salivary glands dry out, causing the acids in the mouth to eat away from the enamel on the person's teeth. Lastly, let's look at the third reason methamphetamine is bad for a person's health. Methamphetamine is bad for a person's health because it affects the person's sexual drive. According to Frontline 2011, one of the most dangerous effects of meth on the body is the increase in sex drive and the lowering of sexual inhibitions among some users, which puts them at risk for sexually transmitted diseases such as HIV, herpes, and syphilis. Methamphetamine causes an increase in energy and stamina as well. This can lead to prolonged sexual encounters, which can lead to injury. Prolonged sexual encounters may also lead to impotence as well as losses in sexual desire altogether. Methamphetamine causes impairment in judgment centers of the brain. A person may throw caution to the wind and have unprotected sex with numerous partners. This increases the risk of sexually transmitted diseases. I would like to review. Methamphetamine causes a negative effect on the person's brain. Methamphetamine leads to physical effects that are negative on the person's body and appearance. Methamphetamine leads to a negative effect on the person's sex drive. Methamphetamine is an extremely dangerous drug. I urge you to seek help for yourself or someone you may know who has a methamphetamine addiction, as well as urge those who may be interested in trying methamphetamine to avoid by explaining these dangerous side effects of this drug.